What is up, everyone? Oh my gosh, it's so nice out. You're actually going to be tuning in to this video where I show you how to take the next picture that I show you from A to B using Lightroom app on my phone. I prefer to work in the Mac application, but you know, when you're on the go, this is a really great tool to use. But yeah, this is a start to a whole new series that I'm going to be beginning. I'm so excited to show you what I have coming up next with all the work and everything that I'm going to be doing here on YouTube. So stay tuned and check this guy out.